heading straight towards us. So I'm going to be showing you everything you need to survive a hurricane. And you don't need all this stuff. You can just buy whatever you want. We're staying in our bathroom. That's the farthest away from the windows. And no windows. And let's just get on to. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And make sure you comment down below if you've been through a hurricane. Turn on the bell and subscribe. Up here, and the bell's over here. Over here. I think so. But let's just get on to the thing. You need bread. You need bread, but you can just get whatever you want. We have applesauce. Slim Jims for me. I got some Jims. Some of these. I got a green ball. Some Cheez-Its. Goldfish. We love the extra goldfish. We have peanut butter to make us a sandwich. And Captain Crunch. We have this to fill up our water in case our water shuts off. So we're going to fill water up, wash our hands with this, and do whatever we need. And you need water. We have jugs and jugs of water. We have juices. We have this. What's in this one?
Water.
Water. We have flashlights. This one doesn't work yet. But we have 3 of these, and then works, and then it works at the same time. And it's floatable, guys. You need these because they're floatable. And when you're taking a bath, you have no light, so you need to get this. Safety reason. If it starts leaking, we have these. Batteries. We have, what are these?
D-size batteries.
D-size batteries. We have triple A. Triple A. We have triple A and we have 36 triple A. We have glow sticks in case when we're driving, the power goes out. Duct tape. A candle. Wipes in case anything like the juices spill. Emergency kit. What we have in our emergency kit is Band-Aid, tape, scissors, cream. I don't know what this is. We have masks. We have gloves. We have these in case our stomach feels bad. We have toothpaste, toothbrush, and floss. We have hand sanitizer. And this is our pantry stuff. We have some of these, a thing to brush our hair with in case it's messy. This, here, this should be like that. Body soap, face wipe, and some more soap. We like brushing off our face. I don't know why this is here, but if there's any bugs, we gotta kill. They're just like cockroaches. They can come anywhere and like, okay, we can kill them. Why do we have sunscreen? Why do we have sunscreen?
Afterwards, if you're outside.
Yeah. And now follow me. This is, and you can make a candle out of crayons, and it will light for 30 minutes. That's an instantly fact. We have games like Uno, Dogs, Stress. We have these. And we can read. We can color with my sisters and my sketchbook. And we some clothes, some battery chargers, and DIY. We have this. And thank you for watching.